Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. The 2026 Dacia Sandero arrives as a masterclass in simplicity reborn, keeping what made the original so beloved and adding just enough tech, style, and efficiency to feel like a smart refresh rather than a renovation. It's built for those who want reliable mobility, honest value, and everyday capability wrapped in something fresh and purposeful. From the outside, the updated Sandero refines its friendly silhouette with sharper details. A redesigned front grille introduces an inverted T-light signature, matched by new LED graphics in the headlights and a lightly reworked bumper that gives it a more confident stance. Variants like the Stepway retain their rugged edge with plastic cladding, roof rails, and beefier wheel designs. Step inside, and the 2026 Sandero's cabin feels more polished. Dacia has upgraded seat fabrics for durability and comfort. Essential and Expression trims offer more reliable materials. The Journey trim adds touches like blue denim upholstery. The steering wheel has been reshaped for better grip and control. Across higher-spec versions, the interior gets a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen, replacing the older 8-inch display, paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cockpit feels more ergonomic, more connected, more thoughtfully designed while staying true to Sandero's practical roots. Under the bonnet, there's meaningful power plant evolution. The base 3-cylinder 1.0-liter turbo now delivers about 100 horsepower, up from 90, giving the hatchback a livelier feel without sacrificing efficiency. For the Stepway, a more powerful electrified option called Hybrid 155 is set to arrive, pairing a petrol engine with electric assist to push output to around 155 horsepower and enable quieter, cleaner driving, especially in urban conditions. Transmission options stay traditional in base models to keep costs low, while electrified trims may adopt automatic or clutchless layouts for smoother operation. Technology and safety upgrades bring peace of mind without excess. Advanced driver assists like automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, updated lighting, improved visibility, and modern infotainment features become more commonplace across trims. Wireless charging is added, side mirrors get electric adjustment, and connectivity steps up with better software and more intuitive interfaces. Pricing remains a cornerstone of the Sandero's appeal. The entry-level model is expected to remain very affordable, holding its ground as one of Europe's best value private buyer hatches. Step up to higher trims or the Stepway and Hybrid 155, and you'll pay more, but you get noticeably more in return: performance, comfort, technology. The 2026 Dacia Sandero isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be right.